In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Remote SSH in Cursor. First, open Cursor and bring up the Extensions panel from the sidebar. Search for Remote SSH and install the extension if it's not already installed. Once installed, open the command palette using CMD plus Shift plus P or Control plus Shift plus P and type Remote SSH, connect to host. If this is your first time, you'll need to add a new SSH host. Enter your server details in this format. Username at your server IP. Cursor will then prompt you to choose or create an SSH config file. Save the host there so you can easily reconnect later. Next, select your host from the list and connect. You may be asked for your password or SSH key passphrase. Once connected, Cursor will open a remote workspace, and you can start editing files on your server as if they were local. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.